Hello friend, welcome all of you. My name is Abhay Kumar Singh and I am going to tell you about emergency procedure and its important. Emergency procedure are a set of predefined steps and action to be taken in response to unplanned event that could pose a threat to the safety and well-being of individual in a workplace. These procedures are not just piece of paper stored away, they are lifeline that can make all the differences in a crisis. Then what is but why are emergency procedures are so important? Let's break it down. First one is rapid response. When an emergency strikes, time is of the essence. Having well established emergency procedure ensure a rapid and organized response. This can be the difference between a minor incident and major catastrophic. Second is minimizing injuries and damage. Effective emergency procedures are designed to minimize injury and damage. They provide clear guidance on how to evacuate, where to seek shelter, and how to shut down critical systems. Following this procedure can prevent accident from escalating. Third importance is ensuring everyone's safety. Every person in the workplace, from employee to visitor, need to know what to do in an emergency. This procedure ensures that everyone is on the same page, promoting a collective effort to ensure the safety of all. Fourth one is legal compliance. Beyond the beyond the moral obligation, there is a legal one. Many countries and industries have a specific legal requirement that mandate the establishment and regulate practice for emergency procedures. Complying this regulation is not just advisable, it is legal requirement. Fifth one is boosting confidence and preparedness. Having a well practiced emergency plan boosts confidence. When people know what to do and have practiced it, they are more likely to remain calm in a crisis. This preparedness can make a significant difference. So in summary, emergency procedures are your playbook for unforeseen circumstances. They are the result of thoughtful planning, consideration for the safety of everyone in the workplace. Remember, it is not just about having them on the paper, it is about practicing them regularly to ensure a swift and effective response when it matters most. If you found this video helpful, give us thumbs up. If you found this information valuable, give us thumbs up, share it with your colleagues and don't forget to subscribe for more safety insight. Stay safe, stay prepared. This is Abhay Kumar Singh signing off from HSC Checkpoint. Until next time.